Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to quickly add staff members to your Setmore account. Whether you're a salon owner, consultant, or managing a growing business, this helps your team manage your own appointments and boost your productivity. First, go to setmore.com and log in into your account. You'll land on the dashboard. This is where all your tools and bookings are managed. Look to the left sidebar, scroll down, and click Settings. Under that, choose Staff or Team. This is where you manage everyone who can take appointments. At the top right, tap the plus button to add a new staff member. Now, fill in their name, email, phone number, permission level. Choose from Admin, Enhanced, or Standard Access. Admins can access everything, while Standard is more limited. Choose what's best for their role. If you have multiple services or departments, assign your staff to a specific team like hair, massage, or sales. This helps organize your calendar better. Once you're done, hit save. Setmore will automatically send an invitation email with a temporary password. They just click the link, log in, and set up their account, and done. And that's it. Your new staff member is now added and ready to book appointments, manage schedules, and help grow your business.